cut right to the chase. How to get and use the Startup Competitor Guide. This tool is built so that you could cut through the clutter and find your competitors for your pitch deck slide really quickly. I know when I created my pitch deck slide, this was a pain in the butt. We simplified the process, and then we enable you to participate and throw yourself in the mix. So the easiest way to find the Startup Competitor, besides the fact that it's a trending pod right now, is to go to search and just type startup. Oh, look, it's right up at the top. Comes right up. So as you'll see, you have a brief description of what this guide is about. You can set it as your default when you land on Joticle. And we have a built-in glossary for all the startup competitor terms. This is an ever-growing, living, breathing document. Then you can see we have all these market segments listed. If you go into 3D printing, finding your competitor is as simple as clicking into where it's at, where you're at and looking for in the segment. Here's 3D printing networks. I can go to EdTech, which is what we're part of. And I call ourselves a new delivery model. And we're going to call ourselves an app. And I can see all my competitors will show up. Boom, boom. Here's all these different competitors in my segment. Then you can click on them, get the detail. Oh, look, this is all they do. And I can go to their external website. But there's more. I want to be listed. Well, that's easy. Create an account and navigate to what you think is your segment. Again, I'm already in my segment, so I'm just going to hit create a jot right here. And it prompts me to fill out who I am. So I'm going to be an app, and I'm going to say I'm Joticle. And I'm going to say Joticle is cool. And I'm going to do website is www.joticle.com. I spelled that wrong, but that's okay. No edits here. I want to include my logo because, you want to identify yourself as a logo. And there it is. Boom. Everything looks groovy. You could do a video if you want. I'm not. I'm just doing a story about my company. I'm going to do my elevator pitch probably. I'm going to do my website, maybe some contact information, an email, a link to my pitch deck if I finished it yet. Part of the reason you're using this is to help find your competitors for your pitch deck, but it's also to position yourself in a sector as an active startup. And even if you're not a startup, list your company. You want to be known as, who's boss, throw yourself down there. Because what happens after you post your companies, you can then go to these different segments and post your walkthroughs, post your demos, show your knowledge of a topic. If it's in engineering or fashion or science, show them what you got. And that's what the jotting system's about. So I'm going to hit share the jot. And now I'm going to be redirected to the page that I'm related to, which is the new delivery models of apps. And if we scroll through here, oh, look, there's Joticle. And this is Joticle is cool, and I can go to my website. And that, my friends, is how we list in the Joticle Startup Competitor Guide. Thank you.